An Acting Resource Guide. Chapter 1. Help for Actors. The Big Entertainment Unions 1. SagaFTRA.org, Screen Actors Guild, TV and Radio Performers. Actors Equity Association. ActorsEquity.org. Alliance of Cinema, Television and Radio Artists in Canada. actara.ca/main. American Federation of Musicians. AFM.org. Association of Talent Agents / agentassociation.com. British Equity. equity.org.uk/home. Casting Society of America. CastingSociety.com. Directors Guild of America. DGA.org. The International Alliance of Theatrical Stage Employees. IATSE.org. IATSE.org. Producers Guild of America. ProducersGuild.org. Screen Actors Guild. SagaFTRA.org. Writers Guild of America. UGAEast.org. WGA.org. The Big Entertainment Unions 2. Institute of Destination Architects and Designers. International Professional Body for Theming, Theater, Resort Hospitality and Coastal Space Destination Planning. IDAD.org. ISITSA. International Secondary Education Theater Health and Safety Association. ISCTSA.org. AFL-CIO, main page. AFL-CIO.org. American Association of Community Theater. AACT.org. American Guild of Musical Artists, AGMA. 1430 Broadway, 14th floor. NYC 10018. 800-543-2462. Musicalartists.org. American Guild of Variety Artists, AGVA. 363 7th Avenue 17th floor. 10001 to 390. New York 10001 to 3904. 212-675-1003. agvani@aol.com. agvausa.com. National Association of Schools of Theater, NAST 11250, Roger Bacon Drive. Number 21. Reston, Virginia 20190-5248. 703-437-0700. info@arts-accredit.org. nast.arts-accredit.org. SAG-AFTRA. 5757 Wilshire Boulevard, 7th floor. Los Angeles, California 90036, 3600. 855-724-2387. info@sagaftra.org. sagaftra.org. The Stagehands Union. IATSE.org. The International Alliance of Theatrical Stage Employees, Moving Picture Technicians, Artists, and Allied Crafts of the United States and Canada, the Stagehands Union. AFLCIO.org/ATWORK. Labor411.org. Facebook.com/IATSE. Facebook.com/IATSE Canada. Twitter.com/IATSE. Twitter.com/IATSE Canada. Flickr.com/group/IATSE. Acting Studios to practice acting. Act 1 Studios. 640 North LaSalle. Number 535. Chicago, Illinois 60610. 312-787-9384. Actony.com. TVI Actors Studio. 165 West 46th Street. Number 509. New York, New York 10036. 212-302-1900. TVIstudios.com. TVI Actors Studio. 14429 Ventura Boulevard. Number 118. Sherman Oaks, California 91423. 818-784-6500. TVIstudios.com. TVI Actors Studio. 116 West Illinois Street. Hashtag 3E. Chicago, Illinois 60610. 312-828-0053. TVIstudios.com. Acting Entertainment Books Stores. Samuel French Bookstore. 7623 West Sunset Boulevard, Los Angeles, California 90046. 866-598-8449. ConcordTheatricals.com. Samuel French Inc. Bookstore. 250 West 57th Street, New York, New York 10107. 1-866-598-8449. ConcordTheatricals.com. McNallyRobinson.com. McNallyRobinson.com. Books, Performing Arts. biblio.co.uk. Bookstores, Specialists, Theatre, Drama, Acting, Entertainment. BookAuthority.org. Books, Best Acting Books. Acting Entertainment Books and Websites. Acting Magazine. ActingMagazine.com. AmpTalent.com. Top 10 Must-Read Books for Aspiring Actors. StageAgenti.com. Blog. 10 Essential Books Every Actor Needs to Read. NewYorkCastings.com. 10 Books on Acting Every Actor Should Read. Goodreads.com. Best Acting Books. Shortform.com. Best Books Genre. Best Acting Books. CityHeadshots.com. Blog. Books for Actors. Actor Resources. Entertainment Community Fund. EntertainmentCommunity.org. Entertainment Community Fund provides essential support and services to professionals in the performing arts and entertainment industry, like counseling, support groups, health insurance, housing, and career development. The AFC. AFChelps.ca. Home, AFC. Help Canadian Entertainment Professionals. IATSE.com. About_us community. The_AFC.ASPX. The AFC provides emergency financial aid to entertainment industry professionals who work in all aspects of film and television production. Actors Fund Home. ActorsFundHome.org. A residence owned and operated by the Entertainment Community Fund. Backstage Magazine. Backstage.com. Actors Equity Association. 165 West 46th Street. New York, New York 10036-2500. 212-869-8530. info@actorsequity.org. ActorsEquity.org. National Association of Schools of Theatre, NAST. 11250 Roger Bacon Drive. Number 21. Reston, Virginia 20190-5248. 703-437-0700. info@arts-accredit.org. nast.arts-accredit.org. SAG-AFTRA. 5757 Wilshire Boulevard, 7th floor. Los Angeles, California 90036-3600. 855-724-2387. SAGA-AFTRA. info@sagaaftra.org. sagaaftra.org. sagaaftra.org/content/getting-started-actor-FAQ. sagaaftra.org/what-do-I-have-do-get-started-actor. Theater Communications Group. 520 8th Avenue, 24th floor. New York, New York 10018-4156. 212-609-5900. CUSD-serve@tcg.org. tcg.org. Actor and Film Blogs. AnActorsJourney.com, An Actor's Journey. StoryActor.blogspot.com, An Actor's Story. EvansOpus.blogspot.com, Diary of a Chicago Actor. Blogomonster.com/Magicat, Magicot. TheaterNomad.blogspot.com, Playmaker. Filmhacks.wordpress.com, Totally unauthorized.